Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on SSH key-based authentication in Linux systems. In a world where security is paramount, protecting your online communications is vital. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up SSH key-based authentication, providing a robust and secure method for accessing your Linux system. Before diving into the actual setup, it's essential to check our systems and set up some initial configurations. Our SSH server is located at IP address 192.168.29.91, and the Fedora 39 client resides at 192.168.29.249. We'll begin by configuring host names for these two computers by adding entries to the /etc/hosts file. We'll designate the client as Node 1 and the server as Node 2. This naming convention will make it easier to refer to these computers throughout the setup process. With our systems properly identified as Node 1 and Node 2, we can now proceed with the setup. Let's begin with step 1. We'll show you how to create your public and private keys. These keys are the foundation of your secure authentication method. To generate them, follow these simple steps. Moving on to step 2, we'll demonstrate how to safely copy your public key to a remote system. Ensuring proper file permissions is crucial for maximum security. In step 3, you'll learn how to effortlessly log in using your newly generated keys. Say goodbye to the hassle of remembering passwords while keeping your system secure. Step 4 is where we explore advanced topics, such as tunnel creation and other practical applications of SSH key-based authentication. Enhance your system's functionality while maintaining security. By the end of this video, you'll have a deep understanding of SSH key-based authentication in Linux systems. Say goodbye to vulnerable password-based logins, and embrace the robust security of PKI for your online communications. Let's get started on this journey to securing your Linux system with SSH key-based authentication.